Hello students, this is Ubamal. Previous year question 4 marks. Topic is probability. Already we see two sums. Now it's of listen this sum. This is very important board exam pattern sum. A speaks truth in 75% of the cases, while in B in 90% of the cases. In what percentage of the cases they are likely to contradict each other in stating the same fact? Do you think that the statement of B is true? Okay, right. So here itself they are given A speaking at 75%. So A set lie about P of A bar, that is considered by here 1 minus P of A. So 25 by 100. B speaking truth at how many percentage? 90%. So P of B is 90%. So B of B bar is 1 minus 90 by 100. This is 10 by 100. This means what? B set lie at 10% of cases. And then they are asking in what percentage of cases they are likely to contradict each other. Likely to contradict each other means P of A and B are contradict to each other. This is equals to P of A intersection B bar plus P of A bar intersection B. This means A speaking truth, that times B set lie. And then here itself A set lie but B set truth. Okay, wow. So P of A intersection B bar plus P of A bar intersection B, and here itself A and B are independent. So P of A into P of B bar plus P of A bar into P of B, all values are found already. So you directly substitute the value 75 by 100 into 10 by 100 plus 25 by 100 into 90 by 100. So finally we get 750 plus 2250 by 10,000. So we get 3000 by 10,000. So finally we get 3 by 10. This is called only the value, but we want to find percentage. In what percent? Okay, so we want to convert this value into percentage. So percentage of probability of A and B are contradict to each other means 3 by 10 into 100. So we get finally 30%. Okay, and they are asking one more question. Do you think that the statement of B is true? Okay, wow. Statement of B is true means B speaking truth at 100%. Okay, wow. But here itself they are given only 90%. So the statement of B may be true or may be false. Okay, wow. We want to conclude that. Right. Since B is speaking truth in only 90%, this is not 100%. So we conclude that the statement of B may be false because B is not speaking truth at 100% of times. So we consider the statement of B may be false. Next sum, same pattern only followed this sum also. Right. Listen ma. Listen this sum. Right. A speaking truth in 60% of the cases, while B in 90% of the cases. In what percentage of the cases they are likely to contradict each other, stating the same fact? In the cases of contradiction, do you think the statement of B will carry more weight as he speaks in truth in more number of cases than A? In the cases of contradiction, do you think the statement of B will carry more weight as he speaks truth in more number of cases than A? Here you are differentiate this sum and that sum. Okay, wow. For that sum they are asking B, the statement of B is true or not here for first one. For the second sum they are taking comparison with A and B. Okay, wow. They are taking a comparison with A and B when which time they are contradict to each other. Okay, wow. B will carry more weight as he speaks truth in more number of cases than A. Okay, wow. They are comparing A and B. Okay, wow. B is speaking more truth. They are asking here B is speaking more truth or not only they are asking here. Okay. First of all we write the given one. P of A is 60 by 100. This is truth and this is lie. Okay, wow. So P of A bar is 40 by 100. And next one P of B they are clearly given 90 by 100. So P of B bar is 10 by 100. And then the same P of A and B are contrary to each other. So P of A intersection B. This is A is true, B is lie. Here itself A is lie, B is true. Okay, so P of A bar intersection B. And then P of A into P of B. Sorry, P of A into P of B bar plus P of A bar into P of B. So 60 by 100 into 10 by 100 plus 40 by 100 into 90 by 100. So we are substituting the values, all values, we get 600 plus 3600 by 10,000. So finally we get 4200 by 10,000. Make a simplification means we get 42 by 100. But we want to calculate the percentage of the given one. No, so percentage of B of A and B are contrary to each other means 42 by 100 into 100. So we get 42%. Since B speaks truth in 90% of the cases. Okay va, they are concluding comparing A with B. Okay, so B percentage only high comparing with A. Yes, the statement of B will carry more weight. Okay va, as he speaks truth in more number of cases comparing with A. Okay, right. For the next sum, B speaks truth in 70% of the cases and Q speaks truth in 80% of the cases. In what percentage of the cases they are agree to each other? Okay va, agree in stating the same facts. Do you think when they are agree means both are speaking truth? Listen ma, here itself they are asking in what percentage of cases are they likely to agree in stating the same fact. Do you think when they agree means both are speaking truth? Okay va, right. Here itself P speaks truth in 70% of the cases. So probability of P I want right here, but P and P, okay va, that means some confusion. So first of all I consider this as A. So P of A is considered by myself 70 by 100 and I take Q. Okay va, probability of Q that is taken by myself as P. Okay va, so P of B equal to 80 by 100. So same manner only we want to find P of A bar and P of B bar. P of A and B are agree to each other. Agree to each other means both are setting true concept or both are setting lie concept. Okay va, so P of A bar intersection B plus P of A bar intersection B bar. So P of A into P of B plus P of A bar into P of B bar. So substituting the value, we get 6200 by 10,000, we get finally 62 by 100. And here also they are asking percentage. So 62 by 100 into 100. So we getting here 62%. Okay, so percentage of P of A and B are agreed to each other is 62 by 100 into 100, we get 60%, 62%. And then they are asking one question, do you think when they agree, okay va, means both are speaking truth. Okay, they are asking, do you think when they are agree means both are speaking truth. Agree, அதாவது ரெண்டு பேத்துக்குள்ள அவங்களோட கான்செப்ட் வந்து சேம் ஆகி போச்சுன்னா அவங்க உண்மை மட்டும்தான் பேசுவாங்களான்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. நோ, agree does not means that they are speaking truth. ஓகேவா, அவங்க பொய் பேசினா கூட, ரெண்டு பேருமே பொய் பேசினா கூட அவங்க ஒருத்தருக்கு ஒருத்தர் அக்ரி பண்ணிக்கலாம் இல்லையா. ஸோ ஹியர் இட் செல்ஃப் நோ, வி ஆர் கன்க்ளூடிங் ஹியர் நோ, அக்ரி டஸ் நாட் மீன் தட் தே ஆர் ஸ்பீக்கிங் ட்ரூத். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூம்மா. தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.